hatchback that changed the game with 238 miles of EPA-rated range, 200 horsepower, and a surprisingly roomy interior. This little EV
Joe, are you
packs a
blind?
punch.
They want to know
Whether you're
about the
commuting,
720.
cruising, or just curious about electric, both deliver efficiency without compromise. Plus, with DC fast charging, a hatchback design, it's perfect for weekend getaways or daily errands. And did I mention the regenerative braking? It's like driving the future quietly. So, whether you're saving the planet or just saving gas, the
Joe,
2017
what they really want to know,
Bolt
meanwhile,
is ready to roll. The 720, it's 720 horsepower. Carbon fiber, everything. Doors that open like